I feel more comfortable wearing off-ear option when I'm going out for playing badminton. I have played inter-house, intramural badminton tournaments for my school team and won a lot of times. And now I'm going to play with my cousin and I'm confident that I will win the match. Marvel CI has flexible wearing options, like I can wear it off the ear or behind the ear, and the most interesting part is that when I wear off the ear, I don't spot any difference in the sound quality.